Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this waterfall braid. Actually it's a twist, not a braid. So let's show how, Valen?
Yeah.
Okay, let's show you how. To start, I'm going to grab a chunk of hair from the side. Make sure you have enough hair because this hair is going to go all around. Okay, with this chunk I'm going to divide it into equal strings. So this is gonna be my main. So make sure you have enough hair. You have to be all around the hair. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just twist it, just one time, only one time, like so. I'm gonna grab a little piece from the top. I'm gonna go through my twist, like so. So I have my main here, so I'm gonna twist this again. I'm gonna grab another chunk of hair from the top, like so, and I'm gonna go over my twist. And then I'm gonna twist this again. I'm gonna grab another chunk of hair from the top. I'm gonna go over my twist, like so. Super easy. I'm going to do this over and over, many times as you can. Twist just one time. You can make it loose or tight. You can grab big chunks or small chunks, doesn't matter. So let's go over, like so, and then twist. I'm going to grab another chunk of hair, go over my twist, and it's gonna look like that. So this is very loose, the one I'm doing today. Twist again. I'm gonna grab another chunk of hair from the top and go through my twist, and that gives you the waterfall effect. I think it looks very cute. I love it. Super easy, super fast. When we are almost reach the front, so I'm gonna twist one more time, like so. I'm gonna grab the piece from the top, and I think I have enough hair to do just one more time. So this is for the end. I wanna make sure that you can see very well what I'm doing. I'm gonna twist. I'm gonna grab the front part, and last one, go over my twist, and I'm gonna twist one more time. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna tie. I'm gonna grab a bobby pin. I'm gonna twist one more time. And with my bobby pin, I'm gonna grab this last twist. I'm gonna go as far as I can with my bobby pin, like so. So this part, which is the last one, I wanna hide this under the hair. So this is the final style. I hope you enjoy it and see you in the next tutorial. Bye guys!